Creating an impactful executive summary PowerPoint presentation using DataPoint. In this article, we explore the topic of executive summary PowerPoint presentations, what they are, why they are important, and how to automate their creation. So what are executive summary PowerPoint presentations? An executive summary PowerPoint presentation is just a brief and focused account of a larger document or data set. These are typically used in business settings to provide an overview of a long report or proposal, or to summarize complex data set. The key is to provide the salient details and important insights succinctly and effectively, enabling decision makers to understand the essential information without delving into the entire report or data set. A fun online phrase for this is TLDR, short for too long, didn't read. Executive summary PowerPoint presentations can be used for business plan presentations, decision making, content previews, funding and investment proposals, marketing and sales proposals, policy and strategic documents, progress reports, and more. Now let's talk about how to use DataPoint for your executive summary PowerPoint. The example on the screen is created by one of our partners where they create these profile summaries of each person in the organization along with their work styles, capability needs, and technology requirements. DataPoint is an invaluable tool for creating your executive summary PowerPoint presentation. The example on the screen shows how SG Nordic pulls information from multiple data sources to create one final presentation for financial reporting. DataPoint creates live connections to thousands of different data sources, ensuring real-time updates and accurate data representation. Here's a guide on how to use DataPoint for your next presentation. The first step is preparing your data. Before starting with DataPoint, ensure your data is organized and ready to be linked. DataPoint will work with a multitude of data sources such as Microsoft Excel, Google Calendar, XML, RSS, JSON, social media, MySQL, and many others. Your first step is to install the DataPoint add-on for PowerPoint. You can find this on our website at PresentationPoint.com and download our free trial. Next, you link your PowerPoint presentation to the data using DataPoint. This is done using the DataPoint option in the PowerPoint ribbon, then clicking on the List command. Once you've connected your data source through the List command in the Connections group, you will then see your data in a preview in the table down below. DataPoint allows you to link your live data to text boxes, tables, charts, images, and more. This is done by inserting a standard text box or chart or other object using the standard PowerPoint options, then clicking on DataPoint and then connecting that object to your database. And then you can customize that object to show the specific information you need. This always keeps your presentation dynamic and up to date. And being able to keep your information updated is perhaps the most powerful aspect of DataPoint. You will never have stale data again. DataPoint keeps the information in your executive summary PowerPoint presentation synchronized with your data sources. This means no more rushed last-minute changes to replace outdated numbers or facts, as DataPoint automatically updates these for you. Let's look at a few more expert tips for creating impactful presentations with DataPoint. When creating your executive summary PowerPoint presentation with DataPoint, keep these tips in mind. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate your presentation with too many numbers or facts. Use DataPoint to update and highlight the most important data. Use visuals. Use DataPoint's capability to link live data to charts and graphs. Visuals convey information much more effectively than plain text or numbers. Tell a story. Don't just present numbers. Illustrate the story that those numbers tell. Use your executive summary to tell a coherent, compelling story about your data. Stay up to date. Use web data sources to bring in the latest numbers and latest information. With DataPoint, your presentations will always be up to date, keeping your audience informed about the latest trends. So in conclusion, an executive summary PowerPoint presentation can effectively summarize your data and reports in a concise format, making the decision-making process easier for your stakeholders. By using DataPoint, you can ensure your presentations are dynamic, up-to-date, and more impactful. Start creating your impactful executive summary PowerPoint presentation with DataPoint today. If you enjoyed this presentation, please hit the like and subscribe button.